You know, so from what day you have one little suspicious something about you.
Me? What mean suspicious, boy? Me not suspicious, boy, no. I don't know what you're talking about.
You have something where you want to tell me?
No. Alright. My daddy shop already and him come here and him go over the yard, but I never realized I him. By the time I go over there, I see him because I see him at the court. And him same that look for goodie and him try get to Carlton. And him try to get Carlton because if him get to Carlton before the police, they might, you know. But I never tell him Carlton there. I never tell him I see him.
5. You see why when I tell you certain things sometimes? You have good intentions, you know. But your mouth, you chat too much sometimes. You always talk to the wrong people.
Me? And them always come talk to me. You see me want to talk to people?
I'm going to tell you something. This man, Marcus, is a ruthless politician. Him stop at nothing. You know, say, after Goody broke Carlton out of prison, his brother set somebody for finding. And if that wasn't enough, the same person go over the house, go plant a bullet in the baby crib for dry him out.
Wait, bullet in the baby crib? No man, that's some action movie I go on. Tell me more.
5. And a joke thing this, you know. That's why Goody leave from over there, you know. Cause she need to protect her youth.
So what should they know?
We don't know. She don't want nobody know which part she there.
So who are gonna...
So that's what that miss?
And that's somebody else I realize that no pork not in this. I'm turning on the chicken foot stew peas. Maybe I eat agree with me. But yeah, for you have something for say?
No, 5. You have something to say? You look a little fluffy around the edges.
Alright. So, I am. Hello? Get to it in. Oh, yes, so and so. Alright, may I come? May I come go to the shop?
Alright, let me carry you.
Give me that bag. I'm not looking for food.
1.5.
Oh, then, come with me here, so. Oh, then, what? I'm wearing it in a uniform.
Oh, what that?
Reds.
Who?
Our boyfriend.
5. And I think we can continue with the work.
What do you mean? Why?
I don't want him to know so I work. Because I want to save money.
Tonian, that is the reason why you can't stop work. How you gonna stop work if when you stop work? How you gonna save?
You tell me say, are the man where she live with do this to her? Where she live?
Till I ready, make me go see.
Tonya, we need to find out who you're there with and which part you live, so we can deal with this. Don't worry yourself.
You have a plan?
I always have a plan. Come here, Tonya. Everything is all about family for you. And we got your back.